There is no denying it. Weight loss from GLP-1 medications like Ozempic and Wegovy can be transformative. But with that transformation can come some unintended challenges, especially in the face. Hollow cheeks, deflated temples, a sharp or tired appearance, and loose, crepey skin. As weight is lost, the face can appear deflated and aged, sometimes more rapidly than patients expect. Fat loss in the face, whether due to medication or aging, can be strategically addressed with treatments that rebuild your own volume gradually. Biostimulatory injectables, like Sculptra, encourage the body to restore what's been lost, revealing a more rested, authentic, and youthful version of you. It's not about undoing your progress. It's about restoring the softness, structure, and volume that convey youth. If you've experienced volume loss and want to feel more like yourself again, we can help you let the light back in, gently, naturally, and with youthful volume.